Are you in a season where everything feels overwhelming? Your schedule, your responsibilities, your emotions, your body, your thoughts, all of it is just overwhelming. I'm going to give you tips to realign when life feels overwhelming. And I can relate. I think we all can relate in this time and space that we are in. So stay till the end of the video so that you can get all of these pointers. And I also want you to share, if I've missed any that help you that I did not mention. I am Robin-Nutritionist, behavioral wellness expert, the founder of Necessary Nutrition, and for more than 17 years, I've been supporting women, mostly over 40. All right, number one, when life gets overwhelming, the first thing you need to do is stop, breathe, and go to gratefulness. Gratefulness, because every time there's this overwhelm, there's so many things that are going right. I know you're like, I don't want to do that right now. Just do it. Stop and realize, train your brain to go to what you are grateful for in that moment. Stop, breathe, and look at what is good around you. You got to do it. It helps. It's a biological support. It helps to train the brain. The more good we see, the more good we see. I know it's overwhelming. Things are crazy, but do that. What I'm going to give you, I want you to do, and then give me feedback if you notice a difference. So that's number one. Stop, breathe, and go to gratefulness. The second thing is to check in with yourself. Now, that may be bringing out a journal, but figure out what the real issue is. Is it a temporary real life issue, or too many papers on your desk, or too much going on just in that moment? Or are you in a season or a week where your hormones are frenzy, which is very, very common for us in this space? So personally, honest to goodness, I do feel a lot more on edge. And that has to do with our estrogen fluctuation and progesterone and all those things. But I know that. And so things just get under my skin a little bit more than they should or would. And then I feel overwhelming. So then I have to say, okay, wait, is it them or is it me? It's, my cycle, my hormones, but okay, it's situational. What do I need to do? I still go back to gratefulness. I still stop, but now I know what the situation is. The other thing when you're overwhelmed is to look at all the things that are going on, and is there something that you can delegate to someone else? You have all this stuff. Who can help you? Are you asking for help? Are you delegating? Are you setting your boundaries? When you're setting your boundaries, you're saying no, you're already overwhelmed and someone is asking. Think about the boundaries that you have not set, where you have not drawn a line and say, you know what, this is too much for me. And I feel like we let it fester and then it's just too much at one time. So back to what I was saying, I want you to look at what can you delegate? What are you doing that, if you're a mom or as women, we are givers. Are you doing something that someone else could be doing or should be doing? If you have children, if you have the grownish, I call them the grownish, they're like 19, 20, 21, and they live in your house, but you're doing all the things because you've been used to that. Are you letting people do what they can do, and are you minding your business after you determine what it is? Because sometimes we're overwhelmed because we're in somebody else's business. Reality check. Check in. That's number two, to check in with yourself and write it down if you have to. That's what I do. Your boundaries, delegating. Is it your hormones? Just see where you are so you know what you're dealing with. And then number three is to change your state. Not move out of California, but maybe sometimes Get up and dance. Listen to music. Exercise. As I record this video, I promise you, we teach that which we need to learn in full transparency. Right now, in this moment, I feel a sense of, right? So when I am done with this, I'm going to journal and I turn on my music and I'm gonna dance because I know that helps. It is a mood lifter. And we have to recalibrate because as soon as we're done, here comes life again. Go back to the tips. All right, so where am I? Number 3, I said to change your state. So you dance, exercise, listen to music, whatever you have to do, change your state. And the 4th one is to focus on one thing at a time. It seems obvious because our brain is, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I need to do this, I need to do that. For me, what I have to do literally is write down one thing. Like right now, today, I'm like, I just need to record this video. And when I'm done with this video, then I need to organize the living room. On my paper, it just says, record the video. That's all my brain needs to focus on, is record the video. Now, again, my brain is wanting to do all these things, but I have to go back to it. Just do this one thing. And then also, you focus on one thing. Sometimes you just have to take a break. Go dance, go do your exercise, but just sit down and take a break. Breathing and stopping and going to gratefulness. Overwhelm is a part of life. How you manage it, how you deal with it over and over again is where we win, because too much overwhelm continues to mess with our hormones and our stress and our cortisol and all those things. But I also want to give you a couple of nutrition tips really quickly. Be sure that when you're eating, you are making sure that your meals include protein. I have recorded so many videos about what to eat as a woman over 40. Go look at those. Protein is super important, opposed to eating a carbohydrate-rich meal that eventually does not serve us internally. So you want to make sure that you are getting in your protein and you're giving your body the nourishment it needs to support you, not the pleasure eating. We're going to do that. But we want to get that nourishment in because at a cellular level, your body needs to fight. Your body needs to be resilient. We need certain nutrients in order to do that. That is protein. That is the nutrients that come from fruits and vegetables. Focus on your protein and your vegetables as armor, as fuel for your body and your mind. I'm going to tell you the 3 supplements I recommend for us as women over 40. Magnesium helps for calming and relaxation, supports our nervous system, and helps us with sleep. Necessary magnesium is a foundational supplement for us. You need your magnesium. Also, your vitamin D3, K2 helps with mood. All of this is, we need all the things. And then your omegas. That is good fat, supports your brain, also supports mood, does so many things. So from a nutrition side, make sure you're doing that protein. If you need support, I have a freebie prompt that you can grab. You could stick it into ChatGPT and it'll help you make sure that your meals are balanced, protein rich, and it'll give you a guide. Go ahead and grab that. And also the necessary magnesium and vitamin D3, K2 will be down below. All right, let me know how this goes for you. If you have any others that you do that I didn't mention, we are all in this together, y'all. We are all trying to realign and readjust and recalibrate as this world is doing all the crazy things. And I feel like I'm giving you this with this peppery energy because I feel like that today. So this is the day, again, we teach that which we need to learn. All right, eat well, think well, and be well. This is Robin, nutritionist, behavioral wellness expert from Necessary Nutrition. Peace.